are not paid by
Yes,
the
yes, ma'am.
Marcos.
No.
Yeah, we are here to sympathize. We are from Belgium, Germany, and
Oh, nice. Lumipat ba kayo?
Germany, with our own money.
Our reporter from ako rin ay taga-ABS-CBN, Zen Hernandez po.
Zen Hernandez.
She's also reporting, taga dito
I'm
sa
an
Netherlands.
ex-mayor of Kabakan.
Talaga?
I'm a two-termer.
Baka pwede
My
kayong tumayo sa
husband
likod
is
niya.
also a mayor.
Ay, hindi. Baka
And
Ay,
we-
makita.
Gagamitin niyo lang kami eh.
Bakit naman?
Kayo kay Duterte, di ba?
Oo.
Against kayo.
Si Senator,
Yes.
she tried to check the health of our president. He is an 80 years old by March 28.
So pwede nga po,
He was
diba?
kidnapped in the Philippines.
Oo. Kasi parang we will mention na nandito yung supporters. Sa totoo lang, syempre may magsasabi na hindi pinapakita ang supporters now. We're showing
Oh,
people.
yeah.
That's what
You
we're
can
looking
show
for.
us that we are not paid.
Yes, sir.
And he is my husband.
Are you married to Alice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He married us
From
from
Manila.
Romania.
From the Philippines. Yeah, we
Sis,
have.
dali sis, kanina lang sis, oh. Sis, kanina lang, mag-email na lang.
Email mo.